In this lecture, we will focus on how leaders manage uncertainty, adjust to change, and guide teams through transitions. Change is constant, whether from technological advancements, economic shifts, or industry disruptions. Leaders who remain flexible, communicate effectively, and confidently guide their teams are better equipped to handle unpredictable situations. Uncertainty can cause stress and hesitation, but strong leadership provides stability. Leaders must approach change as an opportunity to learn, improve, and keep moving forward. Objectives of this lecture. In this lecture, you will learn how adaptability strengthens leadership in times of uncertainty, key strategies for leading teams through change, how to apply change management techniques that promote resilience and success. The role of adaptability in leadership. Adaptability is the ability to adjust to new situations, remain flexible, and respond effectively to challenges. No environment remains the same. Industries evolve, organizations restructure, and external factors influence decisions. Leaders must be prepared to adjust their approach while staying focused on their goals. Characteristics of adaptable leaders. Open to change, they are willing to adopt new ideas and strategies. Emotionally resilient. They handle pressure well and remain focused under challenging situations. Solution-oriented. They look for opportunities instead of dwelling on problems. Decisive yet flexible. They make well-informed choices but are open to adjusting when needed. Encourage a learning mindset. They see change as an opportunity to develop new skills. Adaptability is not about reacting impulsively. It is about staying focused while making necessary adjustments. Why some leaders struggle with adaptability. Fear of the unknown. Some leaders hesitate when faced with uncertainty. Preference for stability. Organizations often favor routine over unpredictability. Fixed thinking. Some leaders continue using outdated strategies even when circumstances change. Leaders who develop adaptability increase their ability to navigate uncertainty and confidently guide their teams. Leading teams through uncertainty. Teams rely on their leaders during uncertain times for guidance, reassurance, and direction. How a leader communicates and manages uncertainty affects employee morale, engagement, and trust. Key strategies for leading through change. Communicate clearly and consistently. Change often leads to confusion, so leaders should be transparent and provide frequent updates. If the situation is uncertain, acknowledge it. People trust leaders who are honest. Keep messages simple, direct, and reassuring. Provide structure and stability. Even in uncertain times, people perform better with a sense of structure. Set short-term goals so teams can focus on immediate tasks rather than the unknown. Lead with empathy and emotional awareness. Recognize that change can cause stress and acknowledge concerns. Listen actively and provide support when needed. Show confidence while remaining approachable and understanding. Promote a positive and flexible mindset. Encourage teams to view change as an opportunity rather than a problem. Reinforce the idea that setbacks provide learning experiences. Celebrate small achievements to boost morale. Involve the team in decision-making. Seek input from employees when possible. Encourage suggestions for improving processes or handling change. When people feel included, they are more likely to accept and engage with new initiatives. Uncertainty is part of leadership, but those who guide their teams with clear communication, empathy, and structure turn challenges into opportunities for growth. Applying change management techniques. Change management is a structured approach to helping individuals and organizations transition smoothly. Without clear strategies, resistance to change can slow down progress. Steps in change management. Define the purpose of change. Clearly explain why change is necessary and how it benefits the team. Connect change to long-term goals so people understand its importance. Address resistance and concerns. Expect some level of hesitation. People naturally resist uncertainty. Identify the main concerns and respond through open dialogue. Provide training and support. Help employees develop the skills needed for new systems or processes. Offer coaching, mentorship, or other resources to ease the transition. monitor progress, and make adjustments. Change is rarely linear. Leaders must track progress and be open to adjusting strategies. Gather feedback regularly to identify areas for improvement. Reinforce and sustain the change. Change becomes long-term when leaders consistently reinforce new expectations. Recognize employees who embrace and contribute positively to the transition. Following a structured approach, leaders reduce uncertainty, encourage adaptability, and ensure smoother transitions.